Hi guys, today we're gonna be making slime. So I'm so excited, but this is not a sponsoring. So first I have Elmer's Glue Glow in the Dark Slime Activator. And I made slime before, like I'm a slime expert. I started making slime when I was like 4, no like 5. So and I like probably like 4 or 5. So like I also have some washable glue, some school glue. I might use all of it and I might not. And it's not fully because I've made some slime with this before, but I probably might just use half of it or all of it. And I have some foam beads, and I have a little plate to put slime in. So yeah, let's start. So first we're gonna start adding the glue. Okay, let's start. Remove these. Okay, so let's add the glue. Right. Okay, sorry you guys, I cannot show my family's face because I do not have their permission, so that's why I paused it. And I think just a bit more. Probably like that's good. And I can refill it in my class anyways, so I'm not gonna worry too much about it. I got some on my hand. Okay. So I guess as you can see, this is my bed. And if you wonder what that is, it's because my house is getting remodeled. But like, this is my bed for now. But like, I have to put like the sábanas. I don't know how to say that in English because I'm Mexican. So this is what I have right now. So I'm gonna start mixing. I'm gonna find something to mix it with. So you guys, I have this. I know it's not the best thing, but like I could wash it after. I'm gonna use this part of it because I don't want anything happening to this. Okay, let's start mixing it. Okay, let me pause it until like I think it's good. Okay guys, so I think this is good for now. So now we're gonna start putting our foam beads. Okay, let's start. Okay, let me take out everything. Okay guys, so like this is all I could take out. It's barely anything, you guys. But so I'm just gonna close it up for like a different slime. Wait, I'm gonna try to take the ones from the top. There's 2 more. There. Okay. Now it's time to mix again. It looks so pretty. I don't know why, but this reminds me of Hootie Fruity. Like Cat's Eye's new song from Wild. Okay, so now it's time to add our activator. Nothing's coming out. Oh. No. Okay. I think that's good. Wait, just like that. And I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see if it's glow in the dark, but like, yeah. I'm not sure if you guys might hear like a radio. It's because me and my grandma, we like to hear the radio. It's of like Nueva Vida, a new life. It's a type of church. I'm not sure if you guys go to it, but my dream is to always go there. I always wanted to go there. But I go to a different type of church, and you guys, I'm Christian, by the way. So, like, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna mix it a lot. Okay, you guys, it's still not ready yet, but like, I'm gonna mix it a lot so I don't make it deactivated. Okay, you guys, by the way, if you guys see, like, I'm not sure if it's still a trend or not, but like, there used to be the trend of this is the side for like, there was a pink room, which was my sister's room. It was all clean and nice. And then there was my room. It was the boys' side, I said. Like, it was really messy. That's how my room used to be. Because I'm like, okay, I'm back from school now. It's time to go on my bed and go to sleep. Never mind, I'm gonna go outside. So like, yeah, I was really messy, but now I'm trying, like, I'm not messy no more. I don't really like being messy. So like, yeah, that's why I like being cleaner more now. So like, yeah. But you guys, I did shower, not in like the messy way, like I was dirty and stuff. Like, I did shower. You guys, the glue got on my fingers. Okay, I'm gonna mix a lot. Okay, you guys, like right there, as you can see, like right there, I added some more activators. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do it a lot. Okay, guys, so right now I have this much, just a little bit. Oh, clog it. Okay, guys, so this is what I have right now. It feels so good, but I still have a little bit left. It's turning out really good. Oh, heck no. No. Bro. Okay, so it's really good. So I don't have any more left. So, like, that's the end of the video, guys. I just wanted to show you how to make slime. Well, I'm making slime, but like, you guys could also make this recipe of slime. But yeah, you guys, that's the end of my video. Bye.